Hello friends, Running Kimono, and we're going to talk about Bath & Body Works Black Friday 2021. Just a couple things I know and what to look out for, my goodness gracious. So what Black Friday is over there is a culmination of all their sales put into 1 week and a lot of awesome. Now, what is not included is the candle day prices, like it's exempt of that, but everything else that we usually see, like buy 3, get 3 for free, that sort of stuff, all of that will be magically put into 1 week. And they have been teasing, a couple little things like it's coming soon on their website, but no hard, details as of yet. But I have an idea and we're going to speculate and talk about some of these ideas. Okay, so they do have this little write-up of here's some stuff. The one thing that really stands out for me is the Black Friday box, and they have been teasing it, and I do have a picture of it for you, and you'll save so much money, and we'll talk about ways to save even more money. So Black Friday is typically celebrated over there from Monday the 22nd to the 28th. In-store and online. So it's an all-week sale. It's not just on one day. And typically the promotions that they have that we really like buy 3, save 3, it's all going to be mashed together. And if they have any digital coupons for us, because there was a 10 off of 40 that showed up this week. And if you have the paper one, you can stack those together. That typically only works on the Black Friday week. If you have the mailers at home and if a digital shows up, there's some extra savings on top of savings. So this is what the home mailer looks like. I know there's a Christmas one for December that's also been mailed out, but if you have these, you might want to hang on to them. Obviously, they've managed to work it out that only the 10 off of 40 will work, not the 20% off, but you can still get the free item along with 10 off of 40. And I saw a 10 off of 40 digital coupon that was only valid for 1 day that I think showed up on Monday. So maybe we'll get something nice like that the week of Black Friday as a little Black Friday perk to all the faithful Bath & Body Works shoppers. How to get these mailers, either at the store, give your information, when they're like, what's your email and all that stuff at checkout, or you can call their customer service line or email, and then these start showing up at your home. And I usually get them every month. Follow Bath & Body Works social media, their Instagram. They're always really good there, along with Twitter, that the day before the sale starts. So that would be Sunday the 21st. They're going to blitz their social media probably Sunday evening-ish saying, hey, Black Friday, get ready. Come to our store and shop. So this is the sneak peek that they send through email, like I said, to sign up for their email list. And this 9 perfect gifts. Now, last year you had to buy, I think it was $30 of merchandise to qualify to buy this. And it's over $100. And I think you had to buy $30. It was either 30 or 40, and then this box was 30 or 40, but it's $100 value. And there's $100 of merchandise in this box. It's beautifully packaged, and the perfect Christmas. I think that's going to be the notes of this. So it's a lot of really nice Christmas stuff. I mean, you're even getting 2 candles, a hand sanitizer, hand soap, little lotions and potions. It looks like a really beautiful box. Now, if you missed it, I already published a video last week on Candle Day. I have the hard dates. The only thing that's missing from this is the price of the candles. Is it going to be $9.95 or $10.95? That is still up in the air. But this video, I will link it at the end. If you're into candles, that is going to be the first weekend of December, or the Friday and Saturday, and there's tons of info. I will link this video. Please watch it if you love the 3-wick large candles. Still talking about a couple of these rumors before Black Friday. On Saturday, November the 20th, it's speculated that the hand wash, there'll be another sale for those hand soaps for $2.95, so that'll be really nice. And then on the 21st, it's rumored that single wick candles, there'll be another sale right before Black Friday. And the last time they had it, they were $8, so what will the price be? It is unknown at this time, but $8 is not the worst price. Okay, so if I can do a little bit of crystal ball guessing, I think the week of the 22nd to the 28th for Black Friday over at Bath & Body Works, they're going to do a lot of sales like buy 2, get 2 for free, or buy 3, get 3 for free. And will there be a digital 10 off of 40 with? I mean, for people that don't get those home mailers, that would be some amazing savings. But I think it's going to be a lot of that for the entire week. And then possibly there might be some new scents released too. Now, this is a couponing channel to save extra money at Bath and Body Works. Your IBOTTA account, you can get either $20 or $50 gift cards, pending that you have that in your account. This is a really terrific app. And for new signups, when you use my link and redeem your first offer, and they have a huge catalog at so many stores in the US, you're given like $10 bonus. And this is a very good app. And again, they have their gift cards in 20 or 50. So I would definitely, cash one out if you might have $20 or $50. So you're really not feeling it at the till. A much easier app to use is the Fetch Rewards app. If you wish to join my team, link in the notes as well. When you photograph your first receipt, it could be anything, a pack of gum that you bought yesterday or an Egg McMuffin you bought last week. You're given $2, and gift cards for Bath and Body Works start at the $5 mark. So it's very easy to accrue a bunch of points for gift cards, and this is a really terrific app. For both of these apps, I would try to get my gift cards cashed out a couple days before in case they need a couple days to process, and Fetch sometimes does that. But it's a way to save extra money over at Bath and Body Works. So I will catch you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.